closed viewing trip today, so something different. Not very windy though today. It's been so windy at Castaic. It's been closed like 3 out of 4 days. So gonna look for some crappie a little bit. Kind of want to try to find some bass. Gonna fish a little bit more shallow today than usual. Gonna head back there and see what's going on. Beautiful day here in December. So I'll see you guys out there. Let's get some fish. Something. Crappie or bass. Slabby, he dead too. Oh man. Sheesh, that's a big one. That stinger hook. Look at that stinger hook. Dang, I think blew up fast. Alright guys. Ooh, it's cold. Cold crappie. First cast with a little spoon. They were just sitting deep. I was able to go over some and got them fired up there for a second. Alright, first cast got a little crappie. Really just a random school out in the middle. Dropped down. Guess I got in the right spot because they hit that spoon. Beautiful out here though. I'm gonna keep at it. Got it wrapped up. Got me wrapped up. Got one here. Got him unwrapped. It was crazy. Dang, that was a tough one. The fat guy. Woo. Fat boy. Fat boy. Right. It's a big one. Man, that sucker had me wrapped for a while. Kept letting this do his, kept letting him do his thing, and oh god. Ooh-wee. Well, that was a long fight right there. He had me wrapped up for a good 10-15 minutes, and I just kept letting out slack, moving left, right, all over the place, and finally he got himself unwrapped from that whatever was down there. But all right, that was a fatty. All right, number 2. See if we can find some more. Rope. Crappie. right on it. Ooh, yeah. Nice, chunky. Let's go. Spooning there. All right, number 3. Nice little school when they're eating. That's cool. Last time I was here, they didn't want anything to do with any bait at all. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep at them here. See how many we can get. These guys, nice ones. Got the little Ned tube. Little underspin action. I knew I had a shot. Gold. Save him too. I have a shot. I caught on a spoon. I have actually a shad set up. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use them. Drop them down. Oh, there's bass down there too. I got a live shad on there. Hope he's still alive. Bro, I got a live shad on right now. I caught on the spoon. I freaking got him. Yeah, dude. I'm trying to find bass with him, but he's still alive, dude. I have him on a Carolina rig.
Oh my god.
Oh, I had him. Oh, I had one.
Isn't that funny? Compared to my boy, yeah. I feel safer in this.
It's nice to have no wind, dude. It's so much easier. Yeah, I'm too short. Oh yeah, look at you, dude. You're right on. Stop right there. Yeah. See if he can pull. Yeah, he's got it. He's on it. Look. Yeah, there we go.
Now he's on, guys. Is it crappie? Heck yeah, bro.
Check it out.
Yes, let's go. Deep with the crappie.
There's some bass moving in on it. Got one. It's a bass too. They move right in on it. Finally a bass. Yep. I think. Maybe not. It might be a frick. Get out of that rope though. Oh. Get out of that rope, get out of that rope. Oh. Oh, I got the net.
You got it?
It's a bass. Yes, let's go, baby. I got my big striper net, you know? Woo! They freaking moved in. Those are bass moving in on them, dude. Let's go, baby. Smoked it too. Yeah. Heck yeah.
It's a nice one too, bro.
Oh, look at that, guys. Nice chunky guy. Woo. Oh, cool. I got it out good. Yeah. Heck yeah. Let's go, guys. Woo. He's heavy. I don't think it's 3. Yep. Just those stock 2.5 pounders. Bible for a second. Woo! Got that late session in today. almost wasn't gonna fish, and I'm like, let me just get out there a few hours before. Got those crappie quick. My buddy Callie came, at least he got on the one. And then I got that surprise bass, which was cool. Literally was spooning, and I saw those guys coming. I just reeled it up and freaking hit it. It was awesome. So, but that was a beautiful day out here. No wind. It's actually warm for December, so we were able to catch a few. But all right, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.